So I'm really happy with my Metabo. I've been using this one for things around home for the last few months. So far so good. It comes with 2 batteries like this one. It comes with a carrying case, the charger, and even comes with a Philips number 2 bit. But I bought some additionals. It's very easy to use. Just push and that's it. It stays in place. You have turning left, turning right, and has it. You can use it as a gun or also straight. So really happy with my Metabo, and I think it's great value for the money.